Finding your perfect meditation posture. If you have ever tried meditation before, you have probably experienced some pain from sitting in an uncomfortable position for long periods of time. This is because you are not using the correct meditation posture for your body. Not everyone can take sitting with their legs crossed for 10 minutes at a time. In fact, you could end up cutting off your circulation and hurting yourself. Finding your perfect meditation posture may take a little time, but there are few positions that many people find works for them much better than others. The key to finding a good meditation posture is finding one that is the most comfortable for you. If you start experiencing pain, especially after only a minute or two, the posture is not going to help your meditation. There is no specific posture you must use, so just find one that is comfortable. It is also important that the posture you choose keeps you awake the entire time. Try out some of these meditation posture to find one that works for you. Tailor posture. This is one of the most commonly seen postures and is even used to help pregnant women prepare for birth. Sit down and bend your legs so that the bottom of your feet rest against each other in front of you. Rest the back of your hands on your knees. Although this posture is good for some, it may be difficult for you to spread your legs that far apart. Burmese posture. This posture is very similar to the tailor's posture, but it is a bit easier on the hips. Instead of making the bottom of your feet touch each other, tuck one foot behind the other. This lets you bring your legs closer together to whatever is comfortable for you. The Burmese posture is a Buddhist practice and used in Zen meditation. Lotus posture. This is a good meditation posture for people with a lot of flexibility in their knees. Take one foot and prop it up on your opposite leg. Then do the same with your other foot on your other leg. The bottom of your feet should point towards your body. The lotus posture is used by many different meditations and represents the connection between heaven and earth. Kneeling. If you can find a meditation posture that works for you, try a kneeling posture. This is much more comfortable for most people, especially if you're overweight or have limited flexibility. Kneel down and sit on the top of your legs with the arch of your foot pointing up. Try each one of these postures for a few minutes and decide which one you like best. You shouldn't feel like you're pinching any part of your body. If your legs or feet fall asleep while in position, it is a good sign that you are cutting off circulation. If this happens a lot, try to increase your flexibility with exercises. Many of these meditation postures feel much better when you use cushion. Do a little research on different types of meditation posture cushions to find one that may help you. Resource box. Many people use cushions or pads when they meditate. It takes off the pressure from sitting in the same position for so long and can help promote better posture. You can use a regular pillow, or you can go purchase a specially made meditation posture cushion from store. Finding your perfect meditation posture.